हिंदी भाषा में सुनने के लिए आप सेटिंग्स में जाइए, ऑडियो ट्रैक क्लिक करिए और हिंदी भाषा चुनिए।
In this video, we will explore Lionsgate portal and why in this year 2025 Lionsgate portal is so special, and what is the energetic gateway and why it is so significant, and how you can use this for manifestation and spiritual practices, and also share 6 practices you can use, and also journaling prompts. Hi, hello, my name is Nalini Ashwin, and welcome to my channel The Blissful. So, as you know, August 8th is Lionsgate portal, and it is a cosmic event filled with mysticism, spirituality, and transformative energy. So it occurs every year between July 26th to August 12th, but it peaks. The maximum energy is on August 8th, that is 8 by 8, and this is a celestial alignment. So it is believed to bring powerful opportunities for spiritual growth, manifestation, and connection with the higher realms, connection with universe. And so we it is on 8th, as I said, just a couple of days. It is on Friday. So let us explore what this energetic gateway is and why it is so significant, and how you can use its power in your spiritual practice. So first of all, we'll see what is Lionsgate portal. So Lionsgate portal is named for its timing during Leo season and its alignment with the star Sirius, Orion's belt, and the Earth. This alignment creates an energetic gateway. It is thought to shower the Earth with high frequency energy. So, in numerology, 8 represents balance, abundance, and infinity, making 8 by 8 particularly auspicious date for setting intentions and also for manifesting your desires and vision, whatever you want in life. Why is 2025 Lionsgate portal is so special? The Lionsgate portal is really powerful, inherently powerful as it is, but each year it carries unique astrological influences. It varies with year to year. So in 2025, planetary alignments during this portal, it focuses on personal empowerment, spiritual awakening, and transformation. So first we'll take up personal empowerment. So Leo's fiery energy encourages confidence, creativity, and also self-expression. And second, spiritual awakening. It will also help you in spiritual growth with Sirius, the spiritual sun. It is called as spiritual sun. It shines brightly. This is a time for deep inner work and connection with your higher self. And third thing is transformation. So astrologically 2025 carries themes of collective evolution, making this year's portal a catalyst for both personal and professional shifts. So how we can use this energy, Lionsgate portal energy, whether you are new to this phenomenon or a seasoned spiritual practitioner, there are countless ways you can use this most cosmic gateway. So some of the powerful practices I'll share with you now. First is you can set intentions for manifestations. Use the amplified energy to bring clarity to your goals and visualize your desired outcomes. Write your intentions on a journal, on a paper, or create a vision board for to get the focus and inspiration. Second, meditate and connect with your higher self, inner self, intuition. Meditate, you can meditate outdoors under the stars to channel the energy of Sirius, or you can also focus meditate inside. So while doing the meditation, focus on your third eye to open the pathways to spiritual insight and to access the third eye chakra. and also it will increase your intuition and also vision. So third, you can also work with crystals. You can use crystals like citrine, carnelian, or clear quartz to amplify manifestation energy, and that will really help you to manifest your desires and dreams, and to make it reality. You can place them on altar or carry them with you during this time. Fourth is you can engage in shadow work. You can use this powerful energy to confront and release your limiting beliefs. So, shadow work is just to focus on whatever we don't. We have negative also, positives and negatives both are there. We don't want to accept or acknowledge our negative self. So, this is the high time that you can use this powerful energy to focus on that, confront your shadow, and also limiting beliefs, release the limiting beliefs. So you can use journaling and also tarot cards to it will help you to uncover hidden patterns and provide guidance for knowing your shadow work and knowing your releasing your limiting beliefs. So fifth, you can perform a ritual, light a candle to symbolize your inner fire, and you can just invite the energies of Leo and incorporate symbols of eight shapes. So and also so you can just close your eyes, and of course in the third eye chakra you can just imagine the eight form, and that will really help you to enhance the energy flow. And sixth is celebrate your inner power. So take bold actions aligned with your passions and purpose and dreams, and to make it reality. And also engage in creative activities like painting, dancing, and crafting. So these are all the practices you can do. And now coming to journaling prompts. So during this Lionsgate, now it's already going on. High peak is on August 8th, that is 8 by 8 on the August 8th Friday. You can journal on these simple prompts. So first is the journal prompt is, what do I want to manifest in my life right now? And you focus on, and you can just meditate also. So just to connect with your inner self, intuition, and ask yourself, what is that I want to manifest in my life? uh, what is the life I want right now? So you can just focus and get clarity. Second prompt is, what fears or doubts do I need to release to fully embrace my potential? So you know that we all know that we are not using our 100% potential. So just ask yourself, what are the obstacles, fears, or doubts that are hindering my that are becoming roadblocks to use my higher full potential. So you can just release them. You can write down when you are writing down, and it really helps you to release. So third prompt is, how can I better connect with my higher self during this time? So how can I connect with your intuition? So how can I connect with my intuition and higher self? So you can close your eyes and just put your both hands on your heart space and ask yourself, how can I connect with my inner self, higher self, or intuition? And just ask yourself, and you'll get the message, and write down in the journal. Fourth is, what steps can I take to align my daily actions with my soul's purpose? So you know that when you want to manifest, it has to come from your heart or soul. It should not come from your mind or brain. Then only that will come to, you can manifest. That is the most important thing to note. So that's why you have to ask yourself, what all steps can I take to align with my soul's purpose, the daily actions I have to take. You know that just by setting all the intentions, and that will not work unless until you take actions. Okay, so these are the some of the prompts you can write down in the journal. So Lionsgate portal is a reminder that universe is abundant and brimming with opportunities. By aligning with its energies, we can tap into a higher frequency and set the stage for profound transformation in this year 2025. So whether you choose to meditate under the stars, or in your cozy room, that is you have this a meditative space. You can meditate there, or dive into shadow work, or simply bask in the empowering energy. Just sit silently. You take some time on this day, special day, and just sit in this empowering energy of Ilio. So the main important key is that intention. Be open to the magic and let the Lions Gate portal guide you to your highest potential. So make maximum use of this opportunity for Lions Gate 8 by 8 Lions Gate 2025. This is very special. So that's all from my side about this Lions Gate 8 by 8. These are all simple things you can do. So let me know how many of you are doing this, and in the comment let me know if this was useful or not. And all the best for Lionsgate rituals, or journaling, whatever you are doing, meditation you are doing. And also some meditations I have put in the channel. Also you can do chanting, also some chantings are there. Pranayama is also very important, so you can do pranayama chanting, and some meditations I have put in my channels. You can refer that. So yeah, that's all for now, and please like this, and share with as many people as uh, you want. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So see you next in the next video next Wednesday. Till then, please take care of yourself, and yeah, tata, bye bye from my side.